The Roborock Saros Z70, unveiled at CES 2025, aims to revolutionize smart home cleaning with its groundbreaking features. This robotic vacuum cleaner stands out as the first to incorporate an articulated robotic arm, called OmniGrip, capable of picking up lightweight objects, up to 300 grams, like socks, crumpled paper, or slippers. Key features of the Saros Z70 include: design. At just 7.98 centimeters thick, it is Roborock's slimmest robot to date, allowing it to clean under low furniture. It boasts a sleek, futuristic design with premium finishes. Navigation. It utilizes the StarSight 2.0 system, which employs 3D ToF sensors, dual laser emitters, structured light, and AI-powered RGB cameras for highly accurate 3D mapping, 21 times more precise than LDS models. It can detect and avoid up to 108 different object types, including cables, and maintains performance in darkness. VertiBeam technology enhances wall and cable recognition. Cleaning performance. With a suction power of 22,000 pascals, it efficiently cleans hair, crumbs, and embedded dirt. Its dual rotating mop system lifts 2.2 centimeters when detecting carpets, and the robot can also lift its chassis and side brush to prevent dirt dragging or wetting delicate areas. It can also overcome obstacles of 2 to 4 centimeters thanks to its Adaptalift system. Base station. The compact base integrates clean water, dirty water, and solid waste tanks, offering auto-emptying, cleaning, and drying functionalities. Robotic arm, OmniGrip. While a pioneering feature, its performance is still experimental. It successfully picked up various items in tests but has limitations. It doesn't deploy if furniture is within 45 centimeters above it, only works on hard floors, and occasionally drops objects. The Roborock Saros Z70's advanced capabilities, especially its robotic arm, mark a significant step forward in robotic home cleaning, despite the arm's current limitations as a nascent technology. All functions can be managed via the Roborock app.